Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be preparing sponge cake. Like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, turn to the notification bell to know when I upload another video. See you in my next video and keep watching this wonderful sponge cake that I'm going to prepare. Yeah guys, preparing this sponge cake, these are the recipes that I'm going to use for this sponge cake today. I'm going to use vegetable oil. Yes, this is my vegetable oil. I've measured it with the cake measuring cup, 1 cup. This 1 cup. You may use any vegetable that you are using for your maybe preparing stew. I'm using power oil. You can use any other oil, any other oil that you have. And here I'm using 1 cup of sugar. 1.5 cup of sugar. I've already measured it. And then 1 cup of milk. This is my milk. You may use powdered milk and dilute it. Then this all-purpose flour, I'm going to measure 2.5 cups for it. Then baking powder, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then I'm using 5 large eggs here. Then this is my flavor. This flavor I made it myself, though it is in the bottle of Foster Clark. Then a pinch of salt also that I'm going to add. This is my pinch of salt. I'm going to take out of it. I say pinch. Yes. So the next thing now we are going to do is start mixing our egg whites with the sugar. You know, in preparing sponge cake, you need to separate your egg from the yolk and use the white first with sugar, then before adding other recipes. So we are going to do the egg separation now from the yolk. Then we are going to separate it from the wow, gently. Then we are going to add sugar to it. But before adding the sugar, I'm going to beat the white a little, then add sugar to it. Then it will be fluffy. Since I'm not using mixer, I'm going to start by mixing the egg white first before adding sugar. So this is the egg yolk now. So we are going to mix it. See that? Then I'll add my milk to that. Then I'll add my oil. You see that? I'll beat it now. Start to be adding my sugar now. So I'm going to add the flavor. And I'm going to measure the flour into it. We are putting 2 cups of flour. I'll add my baking powder, 1 tablespoon. Then I'll add the baking powder, 1 tablespoon. Then my pinch of salt. Then I'll sieve it together. Pour in my egg yolk into it. Mix it very well, complete very well. So after coupling it, this is my pan. You take butter Then grease your pan very well. Grease it very well so that your cake will come out freely. You see that? You see that? You grease it very well. Grease it very well. After greasing it, I'm going to dust it with all-purpose flour. You can use your brush to grease it. Yeah, I'm using hand to grease it. So I'll do it all around the pan. Make sure it's all around. I like using hand to do it so that I will make sure I capture every side. Yeah. Do it generously so that your cake will not stick to the pan. Then after that, I'll now dust it with all-purpose flour. I'll take a good quantity, then add to it. Yeah. The pan is set now, so I'm going to pour it inside. As you can see, very creamy. Wow. So after preheating the oven, I'm going to put it in the oven now. Then when you are putting your cake in the oven, allow it at least for 30 minutes. If you cannot set your oven, allow it at least 30 minutes depending on the size of the cake before opening your oven. Alright guys, let's check. Take a clean spoon like this, see how it is, then pierce inside. It comes out clean. That's perfect. The cake is ready. I'm going to turn it and see how our cake looks like. Wow. The sponge cake is ready.